How to set up your Lazada store. In this video, you will learn the step-by-step guide in creating your first Lazada store. If you watch until the end of this video, you will get a complete screen record tutorial for beginners in selling on Lazada. Let's go! Hi guys, this is Archie Noche, and kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, please do hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. Let's go! What makes Lazada extremely appealing to Filipinos is that most of the sellers in the platform have cash on delivery or COD as their payment method. Also, the fact that Filipinos are still getting acquainted with online shopping, COD indeed is the best way to build their trust in the platform. Now, I'm going to show you the screen record tutorial on how to set up your Lazada store. Let's go! Hi guys! I hope na may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ginawa ko on how to set up your first Lazada store online. Let me know in the comments below kung meron kayong mga questions or tanong para sa video na to, and smash the like button and hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video na gagawin ko all about social media marketing tips, tricks, and strategies para sa business mo online. That's all for today, and I'll see you on the next vlog.